They sleep as if they are all dead. They like to cuddle with each other to get warmth. And they are really sleeping all at the edge of the pen. See, the center is empty. They always sleep on the one side, on the sides of the cage. And the brother lambs. Some are still busy eating. So tomorrow they are taking just raw water. No medication. Okay. Oh, the wind is so much. Tomorrow they will take raw water in preparation for first Gomoro vaccine on Monday. Yes. 5 days old. And the feathers are all out. You want to soak the tray?
Sabine said we should wash it.
While others are eating, others are sleeping. They sleep as if they are dead.